Welcome to the installation video of this crochet hair. We are using this beautiful goddess locks. If you want to see how I did this braid pattern, please look in the description box. I am going to link the video to the braid pattern down there. This here is just the installation video. I didn't want to make this video one because it will be too long and I have to speed it up. So I took my time, made a whole braiding tutorial, and then this is just the installation version. If you want to see the other version, look in the playlist, select crochet hair, and watch the goddess locks, the teen goddess locks. I've used this hair also for my best friend. It was gorgeous. I loved it. I bought one for my daughter and she loved it too. So if you want to see this hair on a grown-up, you can watch that video. I will link that also. In this video, I am showing you how I put the crochet hair in to get the hair to look definitely have to pack up here so we don't see all this. And then when she puts her hair up, nobody's gonna see all this. So I just hide one or two sparingly in here. But I have to do this here to really pack it. And probably this line here, and that's it. All right. I added 6 pieces in here. I put them here. I put one here, and one here, one here. Anyway, I put six pieces in here just to kind of hide it. Now looking at this, visually, I almost want to add maybe 2 more.
Mom, nobody's gonna see any of this.
Nobody's gonna know. They're gonna know. No, they're not gonna know. I'm gonna add 1 here. I'm gonna add 1 here. So instead of 7 pieces, I guess I've added. Instead of 6 pieces, I guess I've added 7. And when you put this down, you don't really see what's going on. So anyway, I just wanted y'all to see how it looks. You can't see what's going on in there. This is perfect vacation hair. So we're gonna cut a few pieces off. I'm gonna cut these pieces out. No, you're fine. I'm gonna cut a few pieces out that I think look a little messy. It also makes the hair look a little big. You know, she a teenager. I'm trying to. Oh, shut up, little girl. So your mother. No, so your father. Alright, so just taking a few of these strands out to thin it out a little bit. I'll share with you guys the other video where my best friend used this hair. I didn't cut anything out for that one, but this one I just want to cut a few of these curly strands out. Turn around.
Boy, you gotta stop.
It's okay. Alright, turn around. It's pretty. Go shower, fix up, and then I can get a picture